We've come to Juhu scheme Shraddhasuman, a 10-story brilliant building. We're seeing a 3.5 BHK, elegant and gorgeously furnished, modern and aesthetic traditional furniture, and it's got a couple of parking, one open and one still. Let's go in and have a look at JVPD Juhu scheme at this one. We're seeing a 3.5 BHK, a nicely newly done up apartment with 3 bathrooms, approx 1708 square feet carpet area. Now let's shut this door here so that that's a kitchen door, so we can have a proper expanse and a great look of a fantastic living space with the dining, with a gorgeous mandir, the console here. So everything remains fully furnished with electronics, positive vibes in the house. The sellers have lived here for a long time, and prosperity and progress and nothing else that they have achieved in this house. So this is the entrance. You got a big foyer area, so you can have a double door, your security door as well, so you can have your privacy in the house, in the living space. So that's quite a massive 1708 square feet carpet area with a seating arrangement there, nice traditional one, and paint work has been done in the last year and fully renovated. You get fully furnished with electronics, except the paintings, they will go away, and the personal belongings. Shraddhasuman is the name of the society. Juhu it is, and that's your living space. Massive one, so cool and calm and elegant apartment. We got to have a look at this one here. We got a beautiful gorgeous mandir here. There you go. And what we have is the kitchen there and the bedroom there, and 1.5 bedrooms there and 1 bedroom. So 3.5 BHK with 3 bathrooms. That's your kitchen, so we can open it up. It's a fully done up, nicely furnished, and you got wooden cabinets and the trolleys as well. The cabinetry is of the highest quality. Fantastic, great arrangement, and a lot of space. Everything accommodated, the washing machine, the refrigerators with the extra refrigerator as well. So what we do is now we go into this bedroom and have a look at what we have is the attached ensuite. As soon as we enter, we got the dressing area as well, and that's your bathroom and a big spacious bedroom. Again, there's a quiet and serene vibe to it because there's no kerfuffle and honking around, because it's in a quiet lane and street. You got a seating area as well. Again, you can just relax, chill out in your own bedroom, which gives a lot of space to you, with a lot of wardrobe space and the bed and space to move around, as you can see. So you got windows. If you open it, you got a lot of light coming in, so it's ventilated from all sides, as you can see. If I open that up, it'll have more natural sunlight coming in, and it's a proper Vastu compliant home, no doubt about that. So what we do is now we'll go into the other bedrooms, and so this side is 2 bedrooms, 1.5, 1.5, and this side is a proper big bedroom. Again, Italian marble flooring. Marble flooring has been laid out, and it gives out a soothing vibe to it. Brilliant. You got sofa come bed. You got it's nice AV room come study room, plus the ledger, so you can sit, relax, and enjoy the greenery. Juhu is the posh area, commands a great premium for real estate and enviable properties down here. You got wardrobes, as you can see, very traditional and modern modular wardrobes as well, and a proper bath with the shower and good tiling work as well. Let's go and have a look at this one. So what happens is when you shut it, the entire space belongs to you, and this is a proper big bathroom. So 3rd bathroom of the house with a shower area, Now these are the 2 bedrooms. One is this, and one is this one here. So again, it's a nice cozy one for somebody to sleep over, or is coming over for a night, a guest or somebody, they can stay over. So you can do that, or if you want to combine the bedrooms, you could. There we go, that's your bedroom. So 3.5 BHK, again the seating area as well here, the ledge where you can sit, and that's the greenery everywhere. Juhu it is. So 3.5 BHK, fully furnished, nicely done, beige theme in Juhu. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to have a look at this one, holla at me guys. Cheers. 2 car parking included, 1 stilt and 1 open.